Welcome to today's debate. Should coding be a mandatory subject in schools? Hey Ria, have you seen how schools are now adding coding as a subject?
Yeah, and I think it is amazing. Coding should absolutely be mandatory in schools.
Wait, really? I don't think it should be forced on every student.
Come on. Coding is the language of the future. If kids learn it early, they shall have a huge advantage.
But not everyone wants to be a programmer. Why make everyone learn something they might never use?
It's not just about becoming a programmer. Coding teaches logic, problem solving, and creativity.
Sure, but you can learn those skills through other subjects too, like math or even puzzles.
True, but coding combines all of those in a fun, interactive way. Plus, it prepares kids for a tech driven world.
I get the tech part, but forcing it on students might make them hate it. Not all kids enjoy sitting in front of screens.
That's why it should be taught in an engaging way. Interactive projects, games, and group work can make it exciting.
Still, I believe students should have the freedom to choose. Some might prefer arts, sports, or literature.
Of course, choices matter, but basic coding should be like basic math or grammar, something everyone learns.
But where do we draw the line? Should we also make music or cooking mandatory just because they are useful?
Coding is different. It is becoming essential in almost every field: medicine, finance, even agriculture.
That's a fair point, but kids already have packed schedules. Adding coding might increase pressure.
If introduced early and gradually, it won't feel like pressure. It can be made fun and playful at younger ages.
Okay, but do all schools have the resources? Not every school can afford computers or trained teachers.
That's a challenge, yes, but governments and tech companies can collaborate to bridge that gap.
Sounds ideal, but it might take years. Until then, making it mandatory could create inequality.
Maybe start with optional clubs or modules, then expand. The goal is to make sure no child is left behind.
But we also need to focus on emotional intelligence, communication, and ethics. Tech alone is not enough.
I agree. Coding should not replace other important subjects, but it can complement them.
What about students in rural areas with limited internet? Would they be left out?
That's exactly why we need a national plan. Equal access to tech education is crucial for progress.
I still think it should be optional. Let students explore and choose what sparks their interest.
But kids don't always know what they'll enjoy until they try. Coding exposure can open new doors.
That's true, but mandatory subjects can sometimes kill curiosity. Passion thrives in freedom.
Balance is key. Maybe make basic coding mandatory and allow deeper levels to be optional.
That's a compromise I can consider. Basic understanding for all, specialization for the interested.
Exactly. Just like everyone learns basic science, but not everyone becomes a scientist.
Still, we must ensure quality teaching. Bad coding classes can ruin the experience.
Definitely. Well trained teachers and good content are non negotiable.
And we should respect students who prefer other paths. Not everyone needs to be tech savvy.
Of course. But knowing how technology works helps us all, even non tech professionals.
You are right there. Even artists use digital tools now.
See? The world is changing. Coding is the new literacy.
I agree it's important. But let's not forget values, creativity, and empathy.
Coding does not replace those, it just adds another layer to education.
Alright, so you would say coding is like a life skill?
Exactly. Not everyone needs to master it, but everyone should understand the basics.
Hmm, maybe you're convincing me a little. If done right, it could be useful.
Yay! Education should evolve with time. Coding is just part of that evolution.
Then let's evolve wisely, blend tradition with tech, and keep students' well being in mind.
Could not agree more. Education isn't just about jobs, it's about preparing for life.
So, how about this? Coding is mandatory at a basic level with fun and freedom built in.
Perfect. Make it meaningful, not mechanical.
You know what, Ria? You make a solid case. Maybe I have been too skeptical.
And you reminded me that freedom and balance matter. That's what real learning is about.
If you enjoyed this friendly debate, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.